Hello friend, this is your accountancy lecture. In cash book, we solve the question number first, simple cash book. Today we are going to solve the question related to cash and discount. Means this question is two columnar cash book. We have seen that there are three types of cash book. First one, simple cash book. Second one, two columnar cash book, and third one, three columnar cash book. Two columnar cash book included two columns like cash and bank, cash and discount and bank. This question is cash and discount type column cash book. 2015 April 1st opening cash balance is rupees 5,500. Remember student, cash balance is recorded in always debit side. The balance of cash account is debit. Cash account's balance is debit. So start with debit side. 2015 April 1st. To opening balance brought down. And the amount is, this is the discount column and this is amount. First see the columns: date, particulars, receipt number, ledger folio number, discount, amount, date, particulars, voucher number, ledger folio number, discount and amount. Okay, this is debit side and this is credit side. Both the types, both the side, one new column is added and this column is discount in debit side and discount in credit side. Okay, opening balance, so the 5,500. Okay, next, goods of rupees 4,000 sold at 10% cash discount. 10% cash discount means amount of discount is 400. Amount of discount is 400. Goods of rupees 4,000 sold at 10% cash discount. When we selling our goods, then we receiving the amount. Receiving amount means debit side. 3rd April, to sales account. To sales account, discount is 400 and 3,600 is cash. Total amount is 4,000. When we giving 400 discount, we recorded 400 in discount column and 4,000 minus 400, 3,600 in cash column. Goods of rupees 3,000 sold at 10% trade discount. Remember student, trade discount is not recorded in discount column. Goods of rupees 3,000 sold at 10% trade discount means the principal amount is 3,000 minus 300 equal to 2,700. But listen student, trade discount is not recorded in discount column. Only cash discount is recording in discount column. So we not recorded trade discount. 4th April, to sales account, in discount dash and in cash column 2,700. 2,700. 5th, cash of rupees 2,000 paid to Earth in full settlement of his account of 2030. We have paid 2030 to Earth, but we paid only 2,000, means we received 30 rupees as discount. We received 30 rupees in discount. When we paying something means it is recorded in credit side of cash book. जब भी हम कुछ अमाउंट पे करेंगे तो उसको कैश बुक की क्रेडिट साइड में ही लिखेंगे. तो यहाँ पर आएगा 2015 April 5 by Earth account, because we paid to the Earth. 30 rupees in discount column and 2,000 in amount column. Goods of rupees 4,000 purchased at 5% cash discount. 5% of 4,000 is 200 rupees. So 200 is discount and 3,800 in cash column. When we purchasing means paying. So in 10th April, by purchase account, 200 rupees is discount and 3,800 rupees for amount. Salary of 1,000 and wages of 600 are paid by cash. Salary and wages are expense for business. So it is recorded in credit side. 13 April, by salary account, on same date by wages account. Salary is 1,000 while wages is 600. Okay. Next, commission of rupees 100 and brokerage of rupees 900 as received. This is income for business, so it is recorded on debit side of cash book. To commission account, on same date to brokerage account. To brokerage, commission 100 rupees and brokerage 900 rupees. Cash of rupees 1,400 paid to Krishna in full settlement of account of 1,420. हमको कृष्णा को पे कितना करना था 1,420, but we paid only 1,400, means 20 rupees is discount and 1,400 is in amount. This when we paying means expense for business. Expense is recorded in credit side of cash book. So on credit side of cash book on 17, by Krishna account, 20 rupees discount and 1,400 rupees is for amount. A machine of 6,000 purchased from Ramesh, for which rupees 2,000 paid by cash, and it is decided that the remaining amount will be paid after 1 month. The total cost of machine is 6,000, but we paid only 2,000 at present. So the entry is recorded by only 2,000 because at present only 2,000 is paying. अभी सिर्फ 2,000 ही पे किया है तो 2,000 से ही एंट्री कर दो. By machine account, 2,000. As more funds are required in the business, household furniture of rupees 3,000 is sold for rupees 3,500. Furniture कितने का था 3,000, but we sold it by 3,500. And out of this, only rupees 2,500 are brought in the business. The amount which is brought in the business, the amount which is brought in the business is recorded in cash book. जो अमाउंट हम बिजनेस में लाते हैं सिर्फ उसे ही कैश बुक में रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. Amount is come, so it is recorded in debit side. So go to debit side on 23rd April. Owner bring capital, so it is recorded as capital account, and the amount is 2,500. Rupees 225 paid to Vyapari Mandal towards annual fees. Paid. अब ये व्यापारी मंडल को फीस पे किया, इसका कोई नाम नहीं है तो इसको हम लिख देंगे बाय मिसेलेनियस एक्सपेंस. मिसेलेनियस एक्सपेंस मीन्स एक्स्ट्रा एक्सपेंस. Amount is 225. Godown rent rupees 600 paid by cash, and carriage of rupees 300 paid to Sambhu बाय कैश, ये दोनों ही हमने पे किया मिस आवर एक्सपेंस. सो ऑन 29th April by rent account, on same date by carriage account, amount is 600 and 300. Okay students, now you have to add all this side, debit side and credit side, and find out the balance of cash book. Remember one thing, there is no balance for discount. डिस्काउंट का कोई बैलेंस नहीं होता, लेकिन जो कैश और कैश का डेबिट और क्रेडिट साइड है उसका टोटल करके बैलेंस आपको निकालना है और आप मुझे बताएंगे कि बैलेंस कितना आया. ओके स्टूडेंट्स.